Hi guys, just giving you an update for the Great Wolf Lodge here in Naples, Florida. They already have started to put the water slides. And the water slide section is facing the Paradise Sports Complex. And they're working on a pool right there, if you can see these people. And they're working also on their paint. And in this side, they're still doing a lot of stuff. And this area is still theirs. And this is the look of the Great Wolf Lodge across the lake. This lake is for the Paradise Coast. And a Uline warehouse right there.